everyone, it's Brittney Calloway, and I'm here with Real Deal Meetup Mastermind members Michael and Stacie with MSA and Associates. And they have a beautiful property here in Hyattsville, and I'm so excited to walk you guys through the property and show the numbers. But Stacie, tell us a little bit first about how you even got this property.
Online auction.
Online auction. Do you hear that? People say that strategy is outdated, it doesn't work, but they did it on an online auction.
Most definitely.
And so when you were thinking about, because you had a couple of properties that you won on the auction,
I actually won 4 that day.
Did you hear that? So 4 properties that you won that day. And so what made you guys actually pick this one, and what did you like about this area versus the other ones that you guys won under contract?
It was centrally located. It was near good parks, schools, restaurants. Everything is within walking distance, and it's a great neighborhood to raise a family.
And the most important part is the numbers made sense.
Absolutely, and that's what we're excited to come back. We're going to do a property tour and have you guys walk through it. And when we come back, Mike's going to give us the winning numbers on this property. All right, here we go. Alright, so as you can see, we just walked this beautiful 4-2. So Michael's going to go ahead and give us the numbers. So how much did you purchase the property for?
All right, so we purchased the property for $161,000.
All right, $161,000. And about what did you say the work was going to be to repair everything?
About 65, and those are conservative numbers.
Right, and so the ARV looks to support
$320,000.
Woo! So that is roughly a gross profit of
about $100,000, 99 and some change, give or take.
Right.
So about 100,000.
Right. So then the net roughly comes to about
65-ish,
65,000. So did you hear that? They bought it for $161, about $65K in work, looking to sell it for $320,000 with a gross profit of roughly about $65,000. Do you think they had a good deal?
Absolutely.
I think so too. So I'm so excited. We've been working with the lenders and contractors, making sure we're getting the scope of works together. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. And hopefully you guys will tune in with us for the next video for the Real Deal Meetup. Take care.